This is canned tuna recipe for dinner with tasty tuna, pasta, and a spicy olive oil sauce. Quick and delicious. Set a large pot of water on the stove to boil, adding a teaspoon of salt per quart of water and a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook the pasta until al dente. It should be ready for at least 10 to 11 minutes. When pasta is cooked, drain in a colander. Now heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-low heat for at least a minute. Toast in the garlic, can of tuna, the black peppercorns, the chili flakes until the garlic starts to sizzle before you add on the al dente pasta. Toast the pasta until it's fully coated with flavor. You can add in some parsley, some oregano, coriander, well, it's all up to you. Additional herbs, additional taste. If you love capers or olives, toast in a few tablespoons of either before serving. An easy, economical, and totally delicious weeknight tuna pasta recipe you can make straight from the pantry. Italian style, yes it is, with spaghetti and tuna in a spicy garlic olive oil sauce. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. This is Bold Cook TV again, signing off for now. Hope to see you again soon and saying bye bye.